I'm headed to the library, which is both my best friend and my mortal enemy. I get to use the internet, but the internet also gets to use me because it goes at about 1 megabyte per hour. It's worse than a 56K modem, but I have to use it because my work needs it. So here we go. Here's a kayaker and a swimmer. They're staying active. Just got back from the beach and my library trip. And I'm blanking. Alright, I now know why I came back, because I went to the bathroom and my mind is clear. Gotta get some food and have to get these edits done on the wedding video so I can stay on time. Alright, the key to making a good salad is having one of these guys. This little plastic thing works wonders. This is my salad. This is my little plastic thing. All we had to do was get takeaway at a Thai place. They give it to you, and you just put all of this in there. Take some dressing. Put your top on. This is an old college trick. Open that bad boy up. You've got your salad. I'm on my way back to the beach because I was super productive with all the cuts and edits, stabilizing all the footage, and now I am in the middle of a cricket circle. Or they call it an oval, actually. Check out that. They play baseball and cricket here, and they practice soccer. And they run around it like a track. Not sure. Yes! Looks like it's really low tide. And there's Sarah, spotted. We're gonna jump in, but the cloud of death is coming. It's been 2 months since I've been in the water.
I went in today.
Will you come in with me again? Yeah. Maybe another time. Alright guys, it's been decided. It's too cold. Hey Sarah. How cold is it?
Frigid.
Frigid. Sarah? I don't know if I've said why you're here.
I'm very sick.
Oh, taking a sick day? Kenna, what are you doing here?
What do I always do?